Yes, Jalal. Jalal. Abdullah.
Mr. I raise my hand to answer.
Yalla, ya Abdullah, we will do. Okay, guys, today, inshallah, good morning. Today, we will continue in lesson 5, add unlike fractions, page 639. Yesterday, what we said, guys? We said to add unlike fractions, we find the least common multiple of the two denominators. Then we turn each denominator to the least common multiple. Then we add and simplify. And I think which questions we did yesterday, Abdullah?
1 and 2 and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes.
Good. So we will continue in question 4 now, right?
Yes.
Question 4, guys, page 639. All of you go there, please. Question 4 in page 639. Tell me, Abdullah, what we have in question 4?
1/2.
أيوة. Plus, بسرعة يا عبد الله. يلا,
1
I need
over
to
5.
find solutions today. 1/2 plus what?
1/5.
1/5. ممتاز. يلا, what we will do يا عبد الله? Tell me.
GCF.
نعم.
We will do greatest LCM.
LCM يا ابني, the GCF we used it to the simplest form. Don't mix with them, okay?
Okay.
يلا, so we'll find the least common multiple of which numbers?
2 and 5.
يلا, 2 and 5. This is 2 and this is 5. Tell me, بسرعة يا عبد الله.
2 multiply 2. 2, 4, 8,
6
and 10.
8, 10. And the 5, we have 5 and 10, right?
Yes.
We know that. Do you know how to find it?
Yeah, we will make
Good.
2.
So
10
the least common multiple is what?
10.
Is 10. Now, after we find the least common multiple, we go to our fractions. We put an arrow like this in your book, guys. You have a space under the question. So do what I do on the space here under the question. Now here, equal. And tell me what I will do. Yalla.
We will make for 2 10. So we'll multiply 2 with 5.
2 only with 5.
And 1.
And 1. If you multiply down, you need to multiply up. Good boy.
Yes.
And the 1 and 5.
We will multiply it with 2.
Yeah, this is multiply by 2, multiply by 2. To make the 5, 10. Now let's find the answers. 1 by 5.
5.
Over
10.
Plus 1 by 2.
2. Over 10.
Over 10. This is equal. Yeah, what I will do?
Now we will add 5 and 2.
How much? 7 over?
7. 10.
Over 10. So the answer of question 4 is what? 7 over what? 10. We write the answer here. 7 over 10. Don't only write the final answer. Thank you, Abdullah. Don't only write the final answer, guys. Not only this, you need to write the steps. Least common multiple, then the multiply, simplify, and add. At the end, you write the final answer, but you need to write these steps first. It's important. This is question 4. If you don't have time to write, you can watch the video again, guys, and continue and finish your writing. Okay? But you need to write. It's important. This is question 4. Let's do question 5 after it. Question 5. After Abdullah, Ahmad Hamdi.
Yes, Mr.
You understand, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me question 5. What we have?
5 over 12 plus 1 over 4.
5 over 12 plus 1 over 4. ممتاز. 5 over 12 plus 1 over 4. Good. Now, tell me what I will do. Can I add?
We will multiply 4 by 3.
Exactly. We will multiply 4 by 3 to make it what?
12.
12. Because the least common multiple of 12 and 4 is what?
3.
The least common multiple of 12 and 4 is what?
3.
No, mister, the least common multiple is not a 3. Look here. 4, it is 4, 8, 12. And the 12 is a 12. So what's the least common multiple?
12.
12. Now you make 4 to be 12 by multiplying with
3.
3. So it is not the 3 the least common multiple. Got it?
Yeah.
So the 5 over 12 and the 1 over 4, the 12, no need to multiply it. It's already the least common
12.
multiple, right? But as Ahmed
Yeah.
said, we need to make the 4 12 by multiplying with what?
3.
With a 3. Now let's simplify. 5 over 12 plus 3 over what?
12.
12 equals what?
9 over 12.
أي 9 يا زلمة؟ كيف 9 يعني؟
قصدي 8 over 12.
يلا 8 over what guys?
12.
8 over 12. طيب, now I leave it or what I need to do?
No, we need to simplify it by 2.
We need to simplify by using what?
Or we can use 4.
We can use 4, but we use what to simplify, remember?
2.
Yabni, what's the thing that we need to use to simplify, to make simplest form?
3-way.
Not the number. I'm not
3-way.
asking about the number.
3-way.
اللي هو GCF, right?
Yeah.
Remember?
بس مستر ما بيحتاج أنا بعرف.
So here guys, Mr. Greatest common factor. Now here we use the least common multiple, but to make simplest form we use the greatest common factor. It is 4. Divide up and down by 4, صح?
صح.
Equal what? The
2
last
over
answer.
3.
2 over 3. Mumtaz. This is the last answer. So I will go back here and I will write 2 over 3. Do you understand it, ya Ahmad?
Yeah.
Good boy. Copy,
But your
guys.
network band is
Copy.
low.
So what I need. So what?
I
شو
don't
عمل
know.
يعني?
I don't know.
Me too, والله. Yeah. Copy, guys. If you have problems, you cannot see, you cannot hear, you cannot do whatever, watch the video again. Watch the video again and write everything. It's important. This is question 4, this is question 5. Let's do more. Question 6. Question 6. Ziyad.
Yeah, Mister. Question 6, we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over
يلا read
6.
it.
2 over 3 plus 1 over 6.
2 over 3 plus 1 over 6. ممتاز. ممتاز. Equal. Well, what I need to
We will
do?
make the least common multiple for 3 and 6.
Mumtaz. This is the 3 and this is the 6. The 3 is a 3 and 6.
and
The 6 is 6.
6.
What's the least common
least
multiple
common multiple
equal?
is 6. 6.
It is 6. Good. Now we make an arrow like
Or
this
multiply
and we
the
put
3 by
equal
2.
and we rewrite the fraction.
Yeah. So we multiply
Exactly. We make
3
the 3 by
2.
6 by multiplying up and down by 2.
2. The 6
Tamam.
will stay the
And
same.
the 6, what we
It will
multiply
stay
it
the
with?
same because it's 6.
Exactly. So here what we have?
3 multiplied 2 equals
Mumtaz.
6 equals 4
Yeah. So
over
what's the
6.
answer?
The answer is 5 over 6. It's
So?
simplified.
Mumtaz. The answer is 5. Which is simplified. Ahsant. Simplified. So the answer is 5 over 6. Write it after the equal here. 5 over 6. But with Ahmed, guys, with Ahmed Hamdi, we did simplest form. Remember, don't forget that. How we did it? By using the greatest common factor. We know that. Don't forget that, guys. It's important. So this is question 6. Now let's move more. Let's do more. Question 7. Let's do more. Question 7. Let's do more. After Ziyad, we have Hamad Samer. Guys, I want the student who didn't solve yesterday. مين محل أمس?
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا ابني بسرعة. Question 7.
1 minute. I don't know where is my book. Okay.
طيب Mr. I will choose another student. I don't have time for that. عمر قويدر. عمر.
Yes. Question 7. 1
يلا يا عمر. Question 7
plus
read.
1 over 4.
1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. Good. What we will do?
We will make least common multiple.
For mean.
For the 2 and 4.
So what's the least common multiple?
The 4. The 4.
So what we'll do? يلا.
We will multiply the 2 by 2 and the 1 by 2.
ممتاز. Then, do we need to multiply here?
No.
No. So here it will be what? 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals what?
3 over 4.
3 over 4. ممتاز. So what's the answer? It's simplified, right?
Yes.
Good. So what's the answer? It's a 3. 3 over 4. ممتاز. This is a question 7, guys. Copy, please. Omar Samer.
Yes, Mr. Question 8.
Question 8.
5 over 8 plus 1 over 16.
1 over 16. Yeah, what I will do?
We'll find the LCM for the 8
What
and
is the
16.
LCM يا ابني؟
2. No, 16.
ركز يا حبيبي ركز. The least common multiple is not the number we multiply. The least common multiple we find it.
Yes.
We find it. Okay. What is it? It will be what?
16.
It will be 16. I will make the two numbers to be what now? 16. Okay. Yeah. This is 5 over 8 plus 1 over 16. What I will do?
Multiply 5 by 8 we multiply it by 2.
Good.
16 it's simplified.
Stay. Right? Yeah.
Yes.
10 over 16
yes.
plus 1 over 16
equals
what?
Equal 11 over 16.
Mumtaz. Equal 11 over 16. And it's simplified. 11 over 16, we put it here.
Yes.
Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
This is question 8, guys. Now we will do question 9 after it. Question 9. Hamad Dahas.
Yeah, Mr.
Yalla ya Mister.
Question 9. 3 over 5 plus 3 over 10.
Good. What's the least common multiple?
10.
10. Mumtaz. The least common multiple of 5 and 10 is 10. The least
So we
common
will make
multiple.
3 multiply 2 and 5 multiply 2.
Exactly. So we'll multiply 3 and 5 by 2.
6
And the
over
3
10.
over 10.
6
This
over
one
3 over 10.
شو أعمل؟
بنساوي لهم بلس equal 9
لسه
over
يا ابني، لسه ركز. 3 over 10 we multiply it with what?
with nothing, 1.
Nothing, because it's the same of the least common multiple, right?
Yeah.
Yalla, let's find the multiplication. Here 6 over 10 plus 3 over 10. How much?
9 over 10.
9 over 10. Can we simplify it?
No.
No. So this is the final answer. 9 over 10.
Yeah.
Good boy. This is question 9, done with Muhammad Dawes. Let's do question 10. Yalla, I want new students, guys. Abdullah Ihab.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, Abdullah.
5 over 8 plus 3 over 16.
5 over 8 plus 3 over 16. 5 over 8 plus 3 over 16. Yeah, what I will do?
We will do least common factor. Multiple.
For 8 and 16, what is the least common multiple? Not factor, multiple. It is 16. Mumtaz. Now what we will do for the 5 and the 8?
Multiply by 2.
Mumtaz. And how about the 3 over 16?
Leave it.
We leave it. Here will be 10 over 16 plus 3 over 16. What's the answer?
13 over 16.
Can we simplify it?
I think no.
No, 13 is only 13. So I'll put 13 over 16, the final answer. Do you understand that?
Yes, thank you.
Goodbye. This is the question 10, guys. Question 11. Yalla, Ghassan.
Yes, Mr. Question 11.
Yes, question 11.
3 over 5 plus 3 over 20.
3 over 5 plus 3 over 20. Good.
Yeah. First, we need to make the least common multiple to make the denominator the same.
Well, what is the least common multiple of 5 and 20?
Yeah. It is
What is it?
20.
It's a 20, right? Now,
Yeah.
what I will do for the 3 and the 5?
We multiplied 5 to be 20 by 5. No, 4. So multiply
4.
them also by 4.
And the 3 over 20?
And 20 by 1.
Good, stay the same. No need to multiply by 1. So here it will be
Yeah.
what? 12 over 20 plus 3 over 20, right?
Yeah.
Stop. Equals what? This?
Equals 15 over 20.
15 over 20. Mumtaz. Type. Can we simplify 15 over 20?
Yeah, I think.
How?
We make 3-way.
A 3-way. Yalla. The 15, it's a 3 by 5. The 20 is 4
Yeah.
by 5. What's the common?
5.
5. So the GCF is 5. So what I will do here?
Divide the numbers by 5.
Divide
Numerator
by
and
5
denominator.
up, divide by 5 down. It will be what?
3 over
3
4.
over 4. Mumtaz. Do you understand it?
Yeah, I understand.
So 3 over 4, it is the final answer. It's important. So here, guys, The least common multiple, we use it here, but in the last, the simplest form, we use the three-way, the greatest common factor, we divide. Copy, guys, copy. Copy these questions, it's important. Copy, guys. If you don't have time to copy, watch the video again and copy all the questions in your book. It's important questions. I will give you time. Yalla. Guys, after a while, I will send you these exercises. I will send pictures of these exercises in your Classera inbox, okay? So you can open it and you finish the copying. Don't forget that. You need to copy, guys. Don't write only the final answers. It's wrong. Do not
Mister, I have a
write
question.
the final answer. What have you asked me?
Mister, I have a question.
Ask me, Yabni.
Today we have assignment.
Yep.
Guys, today we have assignment at 2 p.m.
Yes.
and it will finish at Saturday at 11 p.m. Correct?
Exactly. So you have 3 times, 2 days to do it. It's okay. It's about adding fractions, guys. Adding like a fraction, subtract like a fraction, and this lesson, add unlike a fraction. This lesson is very important, guys. It's very important. Focus, study, read, write, copy, and please do efforts.
And guys, don't
Copy,
forget
guys,
to
copy.
smash button and subscribe.
Now, question 12, guys. Let's do question 12 together. Yalla, I want a new students, a new guys, a new. I want a new. Al-Walid.
يا مستر
يلا يا وليد. question 12. وليد ليش ما بتشارك معي؟ ليش ما بترفع ايدك؟ فاهم انت؟
أنا فاهم الدرس.
طيب ليش ما بترفع ايدك وبتشارك؟ read the question يلا.
أوكي. Question number 12.
يا ابني شو بتعمل ما تقرا؟ بعدين
7 على 12. 7 at 12 will do.
ماشي يا وليد حلو ماشي 7 over 12 هذه 7 over 12
12
plus what
plus 6 over 12.
يا ابني read the question 12 what we have
And each unknown.
يلا read the question
7 over 12 plus 1 over 3
equal what
equal 7
x يا ابني read the question. يا ابني read the question بحكي.
7
إله إلا
and
الله.
12 plus 1 over
ولك
3.
مش and don't say and. Do not say and. ما في and بالفراكشنز، ما فيش and. لا حد يحكي and. وبعدين read يا ابني read what's this. Read
7 over 12
plus what.
plus 1 over 2. 1 over 3
1 over 3 equal what.
equal 7. 7.
يا ابني equal what in your book. Equal what. What's this.
It is x.
X. Why you don't say equal X. ايش المشكلة.
Equal x. We will
يلا يا ابني tell me what we will do now.
we will multiply.
Multiply what يا ابني. ايش multiply
We will
ايش.
multiply 12 with 12 down and 3 down.
Not multiply يا ابني. We find the least common multiple.
Yeah. It's 12. 12. 1 multiply 12. 3, 6, 9, 12.
What's the least common multiple يا ابني.
12.
12. What we will do here.
We will write
7 over 12. ايش اعمل
7
فيها
over
هذه.
the plus 1 7 over 12 plus 1 over 3. We will write for the 12 divide 1.
Multiply يا ابني. Multiply. We don't divide here.
Multiply
What's the
1
least. ركز يا ابني ركز. لا شوي ركز. اهدى. روق. What's the least common multiple.
12.
What's this fraction here. What we have down.
12.
Do we need to multiply or we leave it.
No, we leave it.
طيب good. We leave it. Now the 3. What do we need to do to the 3.
Multiply by 4. Multiply by 4.
Multiply by 4 up and down. انت فاهم بس تتوتر وبتستعجل شوي. Equal 7 over 12 the same plus here how much 1 plus 4.
4 over 12.
4 over 12 ممتاز. Now what's the answer.
11 over 12.
ممتاز. This is the answer here guys for x. So x equal what. 11 over
12.
Good boy. Thank you, Mr. That's all, guys. Now you can do the next 2 questions alone. Don't forget to do the homework, guys, and the online assignment today at 2 p.m. Thank you so much. I will send these exercises to your inbox, okay? Goodbye for all. See you in the next class, inshallah.